Hi family and welcome to my channel. Today let me show you how I prepare black eye beans gravy. This is a very easy, fast and simple recipe. I had soaked the beans overnight and then pressure cooked it for 2 whistles. Add 1 medium chopped onion. Curry leaves. Saute for few minutes. Now add chopped tomato. And saute for another 2 minutes. Adding garam masala. I had roasted 1 coconut, onion and ginger garlic. Put them in mixer and added turmeric powder to form a paste. Grind with water. Now let the masala cook for few minutes and then add potatoes. Once the potatoes are done, add boiled beans and let it simmer for 5 to 8 minutes. Your dish is ready. You can eat with chapati, roti, or even rice.